Listen up, y'all. Listen, in this video, we dive into the importance of staying ready with emergency kits, and we're going to review the Johnson & Johnson All-Purpose First Aid Kit. With 160 pieces and a refillable case, this $27 value kit is a must-have for every single home. So stay prepared and stay safe, and let's get into it. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Listen, if you're new here, I want you to make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure you join this community. And today, folks, we're going to be talking about something super important, being prepared with emergency kits. All right? Now, whether it's for your home, your car, or when you're just simply on the go, having a well-stocked emergency kit can make all the difference, okay? So let's jump right in.
Emergencies can happen anytime, anywhere. That's why it's crucial to have a reliable emergency kit. Today I'm going to show you one of my top picks, the Johnson & Johnson All-Purpose First Aid Kit. It's got everything you need to handle minor injuries and keep you safe.
All right, so here it is, folks. This is the Johnson & Johnson All-Purpose Aid Kit, and it's valued at just $27, and it comes in this sleek refillable case. And so what we're going to do is take a look closer at what's inside.
So this kit has 160 essential items. You've got bandages, antiseptic wipes, gauze pads, even a first aid guide that you can read. It's perfect for treating cuts, scrapes, minor burns, and so much more.
One of the things I love about this kit is its organization. It's very organized. Everything has its place, making it easy to find what you need very quickly. Plus, this refillable case means that you can actually keep it stocked up and ready for any situation. It closes nicely, it has the claps here, so that's really a good feature about this. Remember, being prepared isn't just about having a kit. It's about knowing how to use it, reading the manual, and stuff like that. Take some time to familiarize yourself with the content inside and practice basic first aid skills, okay? Just, know what's in it and how it's used and stuff like that. And also, of course, know that where you're going to store it. Like I said, this is good for your car, your home, or any workspace, stuff like that. So there you have it, folks. The Johnson & Johnson All-Purpose First Aid Kit, a compact, comprehensive solution to staying ready for emergencies. Now, make sure you have one at your home, in your car, and anywhere else you might need it. It's very affordable. Now, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and your family. And yeah, it's time to purchase and invest in things that make sense. All right? And I'll be doing another video discussing some more tips. So don't forget to subscribe for more tips on staying prepared and living your best life. Thanks for watching. Got all tripped up there. And I want you to stay safe out there, okay? Remember, till next time, be safe. This is Kendra Pion signing off. Peace.